Okay, so here I am with the Child Vision Foundation, and if you could remove your mask and tell me.
Hi, this is Wes.
Okay.
Like, we are representing Child Vision Foundation.
Okay.
Like, here we are doing a no shame campaign to break the taboo about menstruation.
Okay.
As you know, we literate or illiterate ma'am don't talk much about menstruation, right?
That's right.
That's the reason when we talk about the slums, most of the females are still using paper, cloth, plastic and suffering from reproductive tract infection.
Yeah.
For them, we are just raising some charity over here to support them.
My God, this is brilliant. And the thing is, I mean, you all are college students who are doing this as volunteer work, or yeah, you were saying you were with this foundation, right?
We work for the Child Vision Foundation.
But it must be, you know, the place where we are standing right now, it is really hot, and I've been seeing this young man stand here since morning, like pretty much, and this is that service Seva Bhavna. So
thank you so much.
So this is brilliant, and so I mean, so anyone interested should connect with Child Vision Foundation, and we can find the website online, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Amazing work, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.